Kate Tankersley and Zeb Stone. Kate is the daughter of Ian and Melody Tankersley. She plays varsity volleyball and tennis and is a member of the Beta Club and National Honor Society. She is a member of the Holly Creek Baptist Church. Zeb is the son of Brandon and Adrian Stone. He plays basketball for Murray County High School and also a member of the golf team. He is involved in TSA and attends Holly Creek Baptist Church. Kate Tankersley and Zeb Stone. Now your 2020 senior class homecoming court. McKinley Bearden and Landon Hansard. McKinley is the daughter of Mike and Mary Cherry. She is a member of the varsity cheer competition and football squad and is a member of the Beta Club, National Honor Society, and FCA. After graduation, McKinley plans to attend college, become an FCA cheerleader, and pursue a degree in teaching. Landon is the son of Heath Hansard and Melinda Smith. He plays basketball and golf for MCHS and is involved with FBLA, the National Honor Society, and the Beta Club. He is a member of Holly Creek Baptist Church. After high school, he plans to attend college and study general medicine. McKinley Bearden and Landon Hansard. Michaela Childers and Davis Redwine. Michaela is the daughter of Starlin Childers and Amy Bagley. She is a varsity cheerleader, an M. Murray FFA officer, a FCA member, and a member of the Rockbridge Community Church student ministry. After high school, she plans to continue her education at the University of Georgia and major in agricultural education. She would love to teach agriculture at the high school level. Davis is the son of Brandon and Ashley Redwine. He plays football and baseball for MCHS and is involved in FBLA. After high school, he hopes to receive a football scholarship and continue to play at the next level. Michaela Childers and Davis Redwine. Laney Dotson and Lincoln Pryor. Laney is the daughter of Brent and Kansley Dotson. She is a member of the Student Council, FFA, the National Honor Society, and the Beta Club. Laney is also an active member of the Berean Baptist Church. After high school, Laney plans to attend the four-year college and major in political science in order to pursue a degree in law or politics. Lincoln is the son of Conrad and Pam Purrier. He is a member of the football, basketball, and golf teams at Murray County High School and also serves as a captain. He is in FBLA, Beta Club, Skills USA, and the Student Council. Lincoln is a member of the Riverbend Church of Christ, and after graduation, Lincoln plans to attend Dalton State College and continue working for Magnolia Solutions. Laney Dotson and Lincoln Pryor. Bianca Gamboa and Ethan Hicks. Bianca is the daughter of Isaac Gamboa and Annabelle Gamboa. She is on the Murray County High School volleyball team and plays travel volleyball for Cross Court Academy. Bianca also gives her time to volunteer at a pediatrician's office. She plans to go to college and become a registered nurse. Ethan is the son of Chris and Judy Hicks. He plays basketball for MCHS and attends the First Baptist Church of Chatsworth. After high school, he plans to attend college and major in sports medicine. Bianca Gamboa and Ethan Hicks. Aubriana Green and Brandon Knuckles. Aubriana is the daughter of Melissa Deal and Russell Green. She is a member of the Murray County High School varsity softball, soccer, and dance team. She is a member of the Beta Club and National Honor Society and serves as president of the MCHS FFA chapter. After high school, she plans to attend a 4-year university to pursue a degree in ag law. Brandon is the son of Danny and Stephanie Knuckles. He plays football, basketball, and baseball for MCHS. He plans to attend a 4-year college on an academic and athletic scholarship, majoring in biochemistry and minoring in business. Aubriana Green and Brandon Knuckles. Cadence Duran and Jordan Harrison. Cadence is the daughter of Chris and Candace Turan. She is a varsity cheerleader, member of Beta Club, Skills USA, and the crime scene investigation team at MCHS. She is a member of the Emmaus Baptist Church, and after graduation, she plans on attending Dalton State College to finish her associate's degree and apply for the radiology program and pursue a career in as a radiologic technician. Jordan is the son of Brandon and Kim Harrison. Jordan plays baseball and football for MCHS and enjoys spending time with family and friends. After high school, he plans to attend college to play baseball and major in education. Cadence Duran and Jordan Harrison. Congratulations to the 2020 MCHS Homecoming Court. We hope everyone will join us tomorrow night, October 23rd, for the crowning of the class princesses and our 2020 Homecoming King and Queen.